Hey, somebody told me how can I download Sony Vegas Pro. And now let me teach you how install it for free. You need to extract this archive to the desktop. Okay. Open Setup from this archive and wait for install. Now, after the installation, open program that we trying to install and check how it is working on your machine. That was my guide about how to install this program for free. So I would like you to follow on my channel and like this video. I hope I helped you. Goodbye guys.